Hi, this is Akkaz. In this video, you will see how to change a default date format. When you type a date in Excel, it shows in a specific format, in whatever valid format you typed, but it converted to that specific format, unless you set a customized date format to that cell. It is due to the default date format which comes from your operating system, that is Windows. You can see that default date format in system tray here. This is month is coming first, then day, then year. You can change this Windows default date format by going to Control Panel, Clock and Region, Additional Settings, Date. In this dialog box, you can change the default date format from here. DD MMYY. Before applying these settings, let's first check workbook. Month is coming first, then date, day, then year. Month is coming first, then day, then year. Now let's apply the settings. Now days are coming first, month is second, and year is coming at the end. In case if you are going to work on your new computer or have newly installed Windows, it is recommended to check the default date format and make changes if required. I'm sure now you understand how to change the default date format in your operating system, which is directly reflecting in Excel workbooks as well.